Hello guys. Okay, so basically we're gonna go IKEA because my boyfriend has never been there, and we're gonna go because why not? Because, you know, YOLO. Yeah, so we're gonna go to IKEA. I don't know if you're allowed to film in there, so if worst comes to worst, I'll use my phone. We're gonna drive there because we're adults now and we have cars. So I'm gonna give a little outfit of the day because, to be honest, I think I look great. This top I actually got from a boot sale, so yes, but I love it. It's like a little cardigan, but I'm using it as a top because why not? It's cold, it's raining. These jeans from Zara, and I'm wearing a belt because tiny waist and thick. Nike socks, and I'm gonna wear my Air Forces. I actually found this cute ass bag, got from the charity shop that my boyfriend found. No, Levi, don't know who you are, who made this, but I love it and I'm gonna keep it forever. But yeah. Nish, do you want to get in it? Okay, well. Welcome to my home. It's my new home. But really it's not. Oh my god, I'd love this though. Look, nature's a chair for you. Nice one. Everything here like just makes me want my own, like, just imagine having guests round. It just makes me want my own house, but I have my own one right. I dibs it. Like, even though I didn't say, oh, this lighting though. Spabbing. Spabbing, spabbing. Have you been here before? Yes. Is all our... What the hell?
For a picture frame.
When
Something weird.
if y'all don't know me, yeah, plants. We're in the plant section, guys. Sorry. What are you doing?
Kissing you, Post Malone.
Yeah, this is where I bought my little IKEA pig.
It's so sad.
Me and my old friends. Look, how cute.
No, that was just 4 cars.
I think Mum has those shoes. I love it when Bae cooks for me.
Boys' rooms have in common.
So we've come out of IKEA. Obviously Nooch has never been to an IKEA, so
Now I have.
now you have. We're gonna head over to Lakeside and have something to eat. We're thinking Taco Bell and a bubble tea. But right now we can't find the car. Oh yes. That was quick, guys. So, well. So we've just, actually no, literally we're just eating our Taco Bell. Then we're gonna go home because it's been a long day. And, you know, we decided to go to IKEA late, so I'm so sweaty. It's disgusting, man.
smoking green cauliflower.